The title of our story is Leo and the Lost Wallet. Scene 1. Morning at home. It's a sunny, Monday morning. Leo wakes up early. He washes his face and brushes his teeth. Then, he goes to the kitchen. His mom cooks breakfast.
His mom wakes up early to prepare a healthy meal for him since he has to leave for school early.
Leo eats quickly because he doesn't want to be late for school. Before leaving, he kisses his baby sister on the cheek. He smiles and grabs his bag. Scene 2. At school. At school, Leo plays with his classmates. Leo holds the kite and it flies high in the sky. Then he goes to class, but something is wrong. Leo looks confused. Then checks his bag. He notices his wallet is missing.
Scene 3. The wallet is found.
Meanwhile, Mia finds a wallet on the playground. She watches it and thinks, whose wallet is this? She checks the name tag, it's Leo's. Scene 4. With the teacher.
Mia goes to her teacher, Miss Rivera, and tells her she found the wallet.
Miss Rivera smiles and says, "Thank you, Mia. You set a good example to your classmates and friends. You're a good girl. Keep up the good work." The teacher says to the students, "She does the right thing." That shows integrity and responsibility. It's not always easy, but it's the kind of choice that earns respect and trust.
Then the students clap their hands. Scene 5. Grammar lesson. Miss Rivera teaches a quick grammar tip.
When we talk about he, she, or it, third person singular, we change the verb by adding s or es in the simple present tense. Rule 1. Most verbs add s. We add s to the verb when using he, she, it. For examples, he plays football, she reads a book, it runs fast. Rule 2. Special endings add es. If the verb ends in c, h watch watches, s, h wash washes, x fix fixes, o go goes, s kiss, kisses, z buzz buzzes, add s instead of just s. For examples, he washes his hands, she goes to school, it buzzes loudly, he kisses the baby, she fixes her bike, he watches cartoons.
This is the happy ending of the story, Leo and the Lost Wallet. Leo gets his wallet back after losing it earlier. He's relieved and thankful that someone was honest enough to return it. He thanks Mia and the teacher. Leo raises his hand proudly and says, "I learned 2 things today. Never lost my wallet. And always add s or es to the verb." Closing line, happy ending summary. And that was the happy ending of the story, Leo and the Lost Wallet. Leo learned to be more careful with his things, Mia showed kindness and honesty, and the whole class learned a fun grammar rule. What a great day at school.
The moral lesson of the story: always do the right thing and be responsible.
Our key takeaways are some lessons to remember from the story. 1. Be honest and helpful, like Mia. 2. Take care of your things, like Leo learns to do. 3. Listen and learn, even from small moments. 4. Mia shows honesty and kindness by returning Leo's wallet. 5. Leo learns to be more careful with his belongings. 6. He also learns the importance of paying attention to grammar rules, showing that school isn't just about playing, it's about learning too. I hope you learned something today from the story and the grammar lesson. Thank you for watching my vlog today. Keep speaking and learning English with fun and you'll see your progress. I'll see you in my next vlog.